Howdy, y'all. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. This is the Alta Magnolia. The Alta Magnolia. This is new, just opened up this year, pretty much. It's gorgeous, and I'm just showing off a few fun features with a quick walkthrough. First of all, on the first floor, you've got some 14 feet tall units. It's really nice. It looks great. You're going to have a beautiful island, easy table. You're going to have a kitchen that's just a showstopper. It looks just great. You're going to have some really pretty lighting in here, gorgeous appliances. I mean, this is all new. It looks great. I mean, then look at this living room. The living room is just gorgeous. You've got so much space in here. You're going to really, you can have 10 people, 12 people over here super easily. You can have a great time, and maybe even more because you've got a massive patio out there. So we're going to look at that patio just real quick in this quick walkthrough. You can see it. Massive, huge patio. Perfect for a dog, too. If you're a pet owner, pet lover, got a great home for a dog. He'd be perfect there. We're going to go into the bedroom, too, and see that. The bedroom is great. This is the king bed that you have here. It's just gorgeous. And you've got a king bed here, and you've got a beautiful closet that's here. The closet's just gorgeous, and you've got a wonderful shower. This is just delightful. So I love it here. I love how it feels, and it's all new and nice. Hey, if you're ready to get more information on the Alta Magnolia and maybe on this two bedroom, send me a text. Just use the number below and say, Grant, I love this place. Let's say hi, and maybe we'll set up a virtual tour even today of the Alta Magnolia. That'd be a personalized live tour for you. I'll take care of that for you for free. Send me a text at the number below.